So Linnea's up working, getting ready to take out that vent so that I can replace it with a max air fan. How's it going up there, Linnea?
Going slow. Making progress.
Yeah. I'm cutting out a template for a window that'll be going right on the side in the kitchen area. Here's a little view of the insulation that we did get done. It was pretty much just in the front of the trailer. I decided to have a little fun with the spray foam, filling in a few of the larger gaps. I also learned a lesson that I really don't want to put it in there if the insulation is loose, because it will push the insulation out.